Hello, my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story, a calm, practical, meaningful story about staying focused in life. There was a mama named Kieran. Kieran had many dreams. He wanted to learn English. He wanted to become confident. But Kieran had one problem. He could not stay focused. When he started studying, he checked his phone. When he opened a book, he got distracted. When he planned to work, he started watching videos. Days passed, but nothing changed. One day, Kieran went to the park. He sat near a man who was doing archery. The man stood still. He looked only at the target. He did not look left. He did not look right. He pulled the bow slowly and released the arrow. The arrow hit the center. Kieran was surprised. He asked softly, "Uncle, how did you aim so perfectly?" The man smiled and said, "I focus only on the target. If I look at distractions, I miss the goal." He continued, "Life is the same. If your mind is everywhere, your progress will be nowhere. But if your mind is focused, your results will improve." Kieran listened carefully. That day, he made a small rule. When he studied, he kept his phone away. When he practiced English, he gave full attention. At first, it felt difficult, but slowly his focus became stronger. He understood lessons faster. He remembered words better. He felt more confident because focus saves time, builds skill, and creates success. Final message, my friends. This story is for you too. Distractions are everywhere, but your focus is your power. Choose your goal. Stay attentive. Work with full concentration. Ending line, thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep staying focused. And always remember, focus on your goal and success will follow.